Mansory is back at it again, and this time they've taken the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 to a whole new level. Some call it bold, others call it a crime against luxury. Either way, you can't ignore it. Mansory. You've probably heard the name, and if you have, you already know. They don't do subtle. Since 1989, this German tuning company has been taking luxury cars and turning them into something, well, let's just say unforgettable. Whether you love their bold designs or think they go too far, one thing's certain. Mansory knows how to make a statement. And this time, they've set their sights on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2. Let's take a closer look at why this custom Cullinan might be the most over-the-top SUV we've ever seen. Alright, so here's the deal. Mansory has taken the already flashy Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 and turned it into something even more extravagant. They call this custom build the Linea Dorabo, and it's dripping in copper and bronze details. If you thought the standard Cullinan was luxurious, well, this is something entirely different. First off, let's talk about the front end. Mansory has given it a brand new look with custom grills featuring copper accents. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, it's been retrimmed in bronze, and the hood itself, it's got Arabic lettering across it. Oh, and let's not forget the massive 24-inch forged wheels finished in, you guessed it, copper. The details don't stop there. Copper accents run along the door handles, window surrounds, and even the fender flares. This thing is shining like a luxury penny. Now, the back of this SUV is where things get even more, let's say, interesting. There's a huge fixed spoiler coming off the roof, plus a smaller lip spoiler on the tailgate. Then there's a custom rear diffuser with the same brown finish as the hood, also covered in Arabic lettering. And the exhaust? Mansory has added new central tailpipes that make sure everyone knows this isn't your average Rolls-Royce. Step inside, and the luxury continues, but in true Mansory style. The seats are now wrapped in black and brown leather with custom stitching and glowing Mansory logos. Subtle? Not really. Over the top? Absolutely. If you're spending this kind of money, you probably want your car to remind you of that every second you're inside it. Now, if you think Mansory only focuses on looks, think again. Under the hood, the 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 has been upgraded to push out 720 horsepower and 774 pound-feet of torque. That means this massive SUV can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. And the top speed, it's electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. So, yeah, it's got the power to back up the flashy looks. At the end of the day, Mansory's Linea Dorabo is exactly what you'd expect from the brand. Wild, excessive, and totally polarizing. Some people will love it. Others, not so much. But one thing's for sure, if you drive this thing, you're definitely going to turn heads. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury SUV? Or did Mansory go too far? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy car content.